Hello, I'm Jonathan Field from PTFS Europe, and what's on my mind today is getting delimited data out of Koha and into your Office application. So a common problem we have on our help desk is once you've actually created a report in Koha, how do you get it to correctly download and import into your Office application without the fields being messed up and bundled into one column? So as you probably know, in the reporting module, Koha has three download options: the comma-separated text, tab-separated text, and open document spreadsheet. I guess the first thing I would say is that the open document spreadsheet is probably your best bet for most Office applications. So open document spreadsheet is an open document format, and it's compatible with applications like Microsoft Excel, LibreOffice, and so on. It's an XML structured file format that's very portable. So if I just download this as an open document spreadsheet, and then I go to my downloads folder, you can see for me, LibreOffice is my default application. So if I just pop it open in that, you can see it's correctly formatted it into the right columns. If I just go back and do the same again, this time with Microsoft Excel, again, Excel has understood what's going on here and it's formatted it correctly in the right columns. So that's great. That's all very straightforward. And is probably your best bet if you're trying to get the data out. However, if you do want to use the other options, the comma-separated format and tab-separated format, first of all, you need to understand that the comma-separated text, the delimiter is actually determined by a system preference, which is the delimiter system preference. So you can see I've got it set here to a semicolon, but also commas supported, hashes, and so on. Now, if you're exporting bibliographic data, then obviously bibliographic data may have a number of fields which have commas in. So comma may actually not be your best bet, and potentially semicolons also. So I'm going to set my delimiter to a hash and save that. And I'm going to go back and export this again in comma separated and into my downloads folder. And this time, if we open with my default application, which is Microsoft Excel, you can see it's made a right mess of it. And this is the type of question we do get asked. I have imported it into Excel and everything's not laid out in columns. So you can see everything is actually in column A here, or the vast majority of it is in column A and not delimited out. So the way around this is to start your Microsoft Excel and from the Excel menu, create a new document. Now, once you've created a new document, you'll see that an option has been activated here to allow you to import data. And this allows me to take that delimited format and properly put it into the right columns. So I want to import a comma-separated file, so you can see it downloaded as a CSV file. And let's just select the one I downloaded just now. And the wizard now has realized it's delimited. I want to start the import at row 1. If I go through to the next option, we can specify the delimiter. So if you remember, I actually specified the delimiter of a pound sign or a hash. So if I just input that character, you can see immediately it's the preview underneath has laid it out as I would expect it to be laid out. If I change it back to a comma, it's all not laid out properly. So I'm going to set that as a hash, go through to the next option, and then option at this point, I can set the column data format. So I can say whether it's a date or whether it's text or numeric and so on. But I'm just going to take this as it is, select finish. I'm going to start it in the top left-hand corner. And there we go. This time it's taken the data and each field is laid out in the column as I would expect it. So that's a useful little tip for getting the data into Excel in particular. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Look forward to seeing you next time.